Just when you thought things couldn't get more blistery. I'm just kidding. That's just a joke referencing the mystery power box. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be opening another blister pack, 3 triple pin blister breakthrough in front of the blister gods. Na na na. All right, let's just get straight on into this opening. Oh! Wow, just becoming a blister master at opening blister packs. And we got Mega Mewtwo Y artwork. Zoro artwork, I believe. A Mega Houndoom artwork. And we got 3 pins here, so let's look at Mega Lucario EX first. This is the one that lost control over himself. Lucario, I'm sorry. I won't lose myself this time. Whoa! Sorry, Lucario. And then we got Charizard Y. Mega Charizard Y. Nice. I bought this because it was on sale. I always wanted to buy it. But when it was on sale, it was like $22. So I could not resist. Mega Charizard EXX. Such an awesome triple blister pin to add to the collection of doom. So let's just start off this opening in this particular order. I don't know. Mega Houndoom. Mega Houndoom EX. There's the code card. Upside down. And we start off with the Spupa. A Stunfisk. Ursaring. A Woobat. Ghastly. Doduo. Staryu. Cyndaquil. Prinplup. Reverse. And the first rare. Ah! I can't say that. Chitot? Cha-cha? Anyways, let's get on to the next pack. I can feel it. This is the moment. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Brace yourself. It's like Spupa. Houndoom, Spiritling, Piloswine, Staryu, Cyndaquil, Panpour, Feroki, Bronzor, Noibat, and behind Noibat reverse? Oh, Mr. Mime, the build-up of Mr. Mime! Alright, last pack. Come on, flippin' Mega Mewtwo EX. Spirit Fingers. Okay. We're gonna drop it. We're gonna drop it right here. Mewtwo's gonna drop it. Boom. Drop that base. Drop it. Drop it, Mewtwo. Starting off with a Braxton. An Assault Vest. Let's hope we never need one of those. A Floette. Playing with Snubble and... Is that a Meloetta? I don't know. It's too small. A Scatterbug. A Teddy Ursa. A Goldeen Woobat. That's not the reverse. Axew. There's the reverse. Star. That's actually pretty nice artwork there. Oh, Starly. Okay, and the last rare of this opening blister pack is... What? Another Mr. Mime? 2 Mr. Mimes? 1 blister.